Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Imabasi Bana. I am a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I'm also a makeup artist and a hairstylist. This is actually my first video, and I'm a student. Right now, I'm on my way to school, and I just said to drop this video to say hi to everyone, to just welcome you all to my channel, and I just hope and pray that all my contents here please you all. I'll be dropping some videos of my makeup and some other fun videos for you all. And I just wanted to say hi to everyone. Like I said, this is my first time, my first YouTube video, and I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria. I do makeup, I do hair, I sell wigs also. I do I sell human hair wigs, not in wholesale though, but I make hair. This wig I'm wearing, I made it myself with braid extension. I got the idea from Yvonne Melda and Vivian. I think Vivian. I'll drop her link down below so you go check and see. So yeah, I'm so happy to be here. I've really been postponing. I've always been postponing. I've been wanting to do this video for a very long time, and I've not really had a good background to do it. Right now I'm in my church. Yeah, my dad's a pastor. So I'm actually doing the video in church, and I know you can hear a dog barking in the background. That's our dog. Anyways, I'm so happy to be here to show myself. This is actually my real face, not some makeup. I hardly wear makeup, yeah, but I do makeup on people. I don't really like wearing it. It's not kind of my thing. I only wear it when necessary, like a birthday shoot or any other shoot at all. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below on what you want me to show you guys, what you want me to give to you guys. And please, I need encouragement. I need to be encouraged. Please, I need your encouragement. If I see subscribers, it will boost my energy to drop more videos. I'm so sorry about this background right now. I'm really trying to find a good background. I'm so sorry about the light. Like, I don't know how to say it. But anyways, yeah, thank you all for coming to my channel, and please like, subscribe, drop comments. Just tell me, how did I do in my first time on YouTube? How did I do? Like, how did I talk? Did I not say some things? What else would you like to know about me? Drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to answer all your questions. Thank you. I'll also be dropping some makeup tutorials and some things that do with makeup for you all to watch. So I don't really want this video to be long. I'm on my way to school. I'm already late. Like, I'm really late. So thank you all for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.